Hello guys, welcome to my video where we will talk about this amazing crypto project called Caizcoin. This project is really innovative, really huge and has so many different features, and in this video we will cover one of their amazing features that is really innovative and so good that everyone could have benefits of it. First guys, I need to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor and you need to do your own deep research before any investment of yours. Now guys, if you're not familiar, this is the Caizcoin and they are the bridge to the future. You can see the first Islamic ecosystem is over here, and their mission is to create the Fiqh compliant financial ecosystem that provides users fair and easy access to ethical financial products and services that give them the tools to build strong financial future and engage in long-term economical beneficial behavior. You can see a lot of their features over here on the top of the website. Find different things. You can see their theme, coins, relief, so they have of course the charity combined with them, roadmap, events, partnership, tokenomics, everything is there. A lot of great features are also here. You have the wallet, application, the coin, everything is coming really soon. And for today's topic we are talking about this awesome blockchain called Caizcoin. Caizcoin is the hard fork of the Stellar blockchain, upgraded with our innovative IFBA consensus mechanism, a deflationary use case driven tokenomics and built-in Fiqh compliance. We will check that out right now. Just check this website how good it is looking. Here is that blockchain again that we will talk about. Their moral compass is the Fiqh compliant financial model, and this is really innovative, and you can find one more video about this on my channel. Over here of course a lot of things, the facts that are really important, and you can also partner with them. They are hiring. You can see that over here. As you can see, we are hiring, so check it out if you want to become part of their team. Now a little bit about their blockchain. As you can see, the Caizcoin, the Caiz blockchain with the governance API. Caiz blockchain with the governance API. The Caiz blockchain is a distributed database solution that functions as the host for Caizcoin and all related APIs to facilitate decentralized peer-to-peer transactions. You can see guys that the blockchain operates on a network of federated nodes, of course to approve transactions governments by a Fiqh compliant governance layer. So to ensure Fiqh compliance, the Caiz blockchain incorporates innovative methods, as you can see, such as full KYC requirements for new users to access the ecosystem, and an IFBA protocol, which stands for Islamic Federation Byzantine Agreement. You can see this protocol offers the more robust consensus mechanism than existing protocols, in that to ensure of course compliance with Islamic transactions principles. So this project has these principles, and you can see over here a little better explanation about it. So Islamic Federation Byzantine Agreement system, and here is the explanation of it. Here we introduce the Islamic Federation Byzantine Agreement or IFBA model, which is an improvement over Stellar Federated Byzantine Agreement or FBA model. Like the federated and non-federated Byzantine Agreement system, IFBA addressed the problems on how to agree on what transactions and updates apply for nodes to avoid of course contradictory and irreconcilable blockchain states. So the norms of federal Byzantine Agreement model, you can find them over here, definitely check it out. You can see a node X can apply and store transactions T in the next ledger update U when it has safely applied to the nodes upon which T depends, and it believes all correct functions nodes will eventually agree on transactions T in the ledger updates U. At this point it is said that node X externalized transactions T for the ledger updates U and asserted its validity. The outside world may react to the externalized values in, you can see, irreversible ways, so a node cannot change it anymore at the later point. Quorum slice and decision making by the nodes, really awesome thing from them, and now Islamic Federation Byzantine Agreement or IFBA solves this problem. So introducing the Islamic supervisor nodes, you can see over here supervisor node, verified public nodes, so that is also there, and you can see over here Caiz consensus protocol. Islamic supervisor nodes, you can see over here, it has of course run by Islamic scholars. The Islamic scholars are theological, spiritual and public leaders who are examples of social ethical and Islamic accountability. Nodes in the network can be assured that Islamic supervisor nodes are well behaved because of the high public and ethical standards for these Islamic scholars have. All Islamic supervisor nodes are connected to the quorum slice, creating the stable core on the Caiz network. So you can see over here how it is functioning, and the nodes that are connecting the nodes in the Caiz network can create as many quorum slices as they like, of course. In fact, are the increase the number of quorum slices, and the quorum in sessions you can see becomes stronger and the decision making becomes more robust. So you can see the nodes connected to, of course, Islamic supervisor nodes. Really awesome and great stuff that is giving that Fiqh compliance to this blockchain. So here you have the consensus protocol and compliance protocol. Everything is, of course, Fiqh compliant and definitely great thing for anyone who wants to use it. You have the governance layer. You can see over here how it is functioning. Caiz government layer. Really awesome and really great stuff, starting from the ecosystem. There is the app, the wallet, financial products, governance layer. The second one, you can see transactions Fiqh compliant, sender verified and receive verified, transaction halal. Everything is there, guys, and you can see that governance layer really important. That goes to the nodes, processing transaction by approving or disapproving them, and if it is approved, of course, the transaction can go through. So it's getting to so many different layers. One important part about this project, so that is about IFBA and definitely their blockchain. I think it is really amazing, and that this blockchain is really great and it will use really great thing, and definitely you want to use it. Here you can find their tokenomics, guys, Elastic coin release schedule. So we will talk now about their white paper and what you can find over here. So the Elastic tokenomics, really awesome and innovative thing where you can see over here you can see over here how it is functioning. Tokenomics Elastic coin release, as low the number of wallets you have, the more, of course, this is the amount of tokens that will be released per one, we can say, wallet. So it's starting for 7.75, and as more wallets you have, of course, the higher amount, the lower amount of the tokens that is released, and the circulating supply is going upper, but lower and lower amounts of tokens per wallet. That is, of course, implementing and putting the price of the token on the higher level. You have the minted wallet, distribution wallet, and of course exchange ecosystem liquidity wallet. You can see over here the minted wallet this wallet contains all the Caizcoin that have been minted, which means they have been created and added to the blockchain. And of course the Caizcoin tokens in the minted wallet are not yet released in the Caiz ecosystem. The distribution, the second one, contains all the Caizcoins that have been released and are ready to be distributed to the Caiz ecosystem. And of course it goes to the ecosystem and goes to the liquidity pool. Token release algorithm runs, of course, daily on 2 p.m. CTE to release the total number of Caizcoin tokens for the minted wallet to the distribution wallet. The amount released is determined by the number of verified wallets in the previous 24 hours, of course, and you know how it is functioning. Of course, the coin allocation, really great stuff. You can see in the ecosystem 70%, treasury 10, team 8, Caiz Gold will take 5%, and growth, legal, advisor and promotion goes 5% of the tokens, charity 2%, really great thing, and I really love it. And why the Caiz, of course, the Caiz blockchain is Fiqh compliant, only Fiqh compliant and ethical products and services that focus on creating real wealth with a long-term economical focus. Minimize over here you can see counterparty and uncertain, because all users are ecosystem are known and verified. There is no risk, of course, losing access to tokens and access through the secure recovery process, and inheritance planning to ensure no token and assets are ever lost. Low-end transaction fees for all products and services, and users, of course, content ecosystem that provides transparency and honesty advices. You can see over here the references of this amazing white paper. It is really great. I read it out and now I give you the explanation about the most important parts of this great white paper. You can find interesting things over here, of course, about the things that they are planning to do, of course, and you can see over here on great system, decentralized and centralized, really great stuff if you're asking me. Different tokens find over here, Caiz Relief, of course, the charity. You can see over here the secret product release number 2, Caiz Gold stable. Here are some interesting secret products that are waiting for you if you join this team, and you can see Caiz Gold stable and Caiz multifunctional NFTs, really great stuff that I will cover in the second video. Here the Caiz Earn, wallet, application and payment and banking partners. Secret product number 1, so this is the roadmap of the Caiz and what they're planning to release. Really awesome, and we will check that also. Here the roadmap, guys, you can find it over here. Big suggestion, go and check this white paper because it is really awesome. You can see over here, of course, how everything is functioning. This white paper is really great, and of course you can find everything that is important about this great, we can say, project. So definitely go and check it out. Guys, thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. Of course, leave the comment if you have any questions or if you're supporting this project. Never forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And guys, see you in the next video.